Hello and welcome to Fishbro NZ. I'm Milan and today we're heading up to the legendary houhora fishing grounds. Houhora is located at the top of the North Island of New Zealand and is one of the best fishing and adventure locations around. This episode is going to be exciting as our target fish species is the powerful kingfish or haku. Kingfish can be found in places such as Japan, America and Australia, but are most well known for the size they get in New Zealand. If you haven't already, sign into your YouTube account so you can subscribe and like this video so you can see more epic content like this. Before we start, here's what you should expect in this video.
Yeah, oh, I got a hit. Yeah, on, fish on. Yeah. Oh, shit. So, give me the net. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Fish at houhora, let's send them home.
Go. He's off.
Today we are launching from the houhora heads and we are setting out to find any bait fish we can that hold kingfish. We will be mechanical jigging through these bait fish and hopefully a kingfish eats our lure.
Oh my god, Dad, jig now, quick.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm on.
Oh, Milan, I'm on.
Fish on.
Watch out, take yours that way. Look at mine.
Car.
Oh.
They're cars.
Fingers are doing the job.
You wanna record? No. Kings! Oh, I just lost it!
Oh, come on. That boy. We got smashed.
The first drop gave us a nice hookup, but unfortunately the jig snapped off. So a quick retie and we were back in the game.
Well, actually snapped. Watch out. Yeah, oh, I got a hit. Yeah, on, fish on. Yeah. Yeah, look at them. Get it back down there. Oh! Ah!
Did you see them coming up?
You just get back down there, boy. Look at them, Dad.
Watch them come up.
Yeah, the boys.
Oh!
Yeah, switch sides of the boat. You want a king? Yep. Dad, look.
Oh, hang on, son. Hang on.
You guys, catch 300 gram jig, slaying it today. Look at that king. Okay, yo guys, got a nice king here. He's 80. We'll put him back because we've already got enough for a feed. One's always enough. So we'll get him back. Oh. Yeah, here we go. Go, boy. Guys, I just had that rod sitting out the back because we had so many rods out and it's just hooked another king. Here, get him.
Can I record you?
Yo!
Like, just leave them swim around for a bit or put them on?
Yeah, get him in. Yeah! On the boat right now. They're everywhere. Oh guys, kings everywhere.
Chuck them out. Chuck them out. Yeah, boy.
Oh, I'm on enough.
Get back down there.
Yeah, chuck my jig over.
What a day it was proving to be. We had only been out on the water for 30 minutes and we'd caught plenty of fish, with every drop producing a nice kingfish.
Yeah, on, fish on. Again.
I love that feeling, man. I just got...
Be quick. quick.
Yeah, Milan.
Yo guys, so every time we're dropping, we're hooking up on kings. This one's actually towing the ski.
Look at all the kings on the top water over there, right?
Yeah, we're just pulling them back. This is probably the 10th one for the boat.
Plenty of kings. And
Check it out.
down there we got some colour coming up. Oh yeah, he's trying to drag it onto the boat. Where is it? There it is.
Yo guys, got a nice king here. He's 80, but we'll put him back because we've already got enough for a feed. One's always enough. So we'll get him back. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Go boy.
He's gone. He's away.
There was heaps of bait in the area, which the birds and fish were feeding on. So after another successful release, we moved the jet ski up to where they were feeding.
Stop. Oh, look at the sign over there. The kings are there, just in front of us.
Hey!
Oh, got hit.
I'll hear him. Bring him.
Oh, Milan. He's a goodie. Look at that. Go round, wrap it around you, pull him in. Wrap it around you, pull him in. Hey guys, just at houhora here, out with Jaffa and the Fishbros, and we're just slaying these bad boys. These are really good fighters.
We're just using the catch double troubles.
And over here,
we're going to hook up.
Dylan's on.
There's just hookups everywhere.
He's a fat boy.
But this one's a nice one.
Right.
Do you want to get a photo?
Yeah.
Legal kingfish going back
Yeah,
home.
legal kingfish at houhora. Let's send him home.
Go.
He's off.
After catching heaps of fish on the jig, I decided to cast my stick bait to see what I could catch on top water.
You on?
I'm ready.
Look at them down there. Yeah. Down there.
Yeah. We'll do that again. Got to see kings everywhere down there. Milan's doing his stick bait again. Stick bait.
King on top water, boy. Oh yeah, on a stick bait. Just pull it up, pull the net up. Okay guys, lovely houhora kingfish. Found the birds, found the bait. Onto the kings, so we'll put them back. Here we go. In the water. Oh, here he goes. There he goes. Yeah, the boys. You want? Oh, look at the face of him, lad. You want to go over? I know they're here because I'm on.
Okay, my rod's done. I'm ready for you. You need to tie him down.
Oh, look at him. Just grab him. Yeah! Oh yeah!
Nice one.
Yeah, the boys.
houhora has provided.
Yo guys, few birds working in the area. I just chucked down the catch double trouble here, 300 gram pink. Just got the little flashing lure on the bottom just to attract them in more. I've hooked this fish, he's over 90. It's a really good fish, he's got a bit of girth to him. So houhora kingy, he nearly reefed me. Even though he's not massive, he still nearly reefed me. You the boys, fish bros are on.
That last fish was a great ending to an amazing day. We had caught so many of our target species. Next time on Fishbro NZ, we are back in Auckland and set out to catch more of these kingfish. We will be doing lots of jigging and top water. So make sure you subscribe down below so you can see when this video comes out. And with that, I'll see you guys next time on Fishbro NZ.
Oh, yes! Oh, it's a king. It's a king, yeah, it's a king.